Welcome to GradFund. I'm Julie, a fifth-year doctoral candidate and GradFund Fellowship Advisor. GradFund is a department within the School of Graduate Studies here at Rutgers, where you can learn about applying for grants and fellowships, from searching for opportunities to apply to getting feedback on your application essays. We use a peer mentoring model in which our staff of highly trained Rutgers doctoral students like me advise and work with students like you to identify and craft competitive applications for external, merit-based grant and fellowship competitions. Here at GradFund, our mission is to help students from across the School of Graduate Studies to apply for funding from sources beyond Rutgers. This includes research and travel grants, dissertation fellowships, predoctoral and postdoctoral fellowships, and more. Our aim is to help you to work alongside your faculty mentors to identify and work toward competitive fellowship applications at every stage of your graduate program. We can help you apply for some of the big competitions which you may have heard of, like the NSF, the NIH, the Ford, and the Fulbright, and we can help you identify a host of others that might suit your program timeline, your research, and your career goals. So how does this work? Head to our website at gradfund.rutgers.edu and set up an appointment. GradFund offers individualized help and attention that gives you the space to ask your questions and get feedback from your peers who understand the process and the challenges that you might be facing. You'll meet one-on-one with a peer mentor who will teach you how to search for awards using several databases and key strategies. Once you're comfortable searching for opportunities, you can check in with us again about how to plan for and conceptualize your applications to best align with the funder's goals and calls for proposals. Then you can come back when you're ready to review your application materials for a specific award, and we'll give you feedback on your essays and help you craft the most competitive submission possible. We also host workshops and seminars on a regular basis. These take place via Zoom, so you can participate from anywhere. Our workshops cover a variety of topics, including how to search for awards, how to craft essays, and opportunities for different disciplines and program stages. We also run information sessions about specific awards and a summer mentoring program to give you even more guidance and hands-on practice. Check out our website for the workshop schedule, as well as a blog with lots of tips and best practices to guide you through the application process. You already know that applying for and securing grant money is an important skill, both in academia and beyond. GradFund is here to help you build this skill, fund your research, and ultimately grow as a scholar. So check out our website, schedule a meeting with us, and register for our upcoming workshops. We'll see you soon!